Dear students, let us visualize nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is an unicellular organism. It generally consists of xeropodia, cytoplasm, food vacuole, nucleus, nucleolus, contractile vacuoles. These outgrowths, these outgrowths you find here from the cell surface, these are called as xeropodia. Inside the cell you find fluid, this is called as cytoplasm. These are called as food vacuoles, and you find another, this is called as nucleus. When the food particle come closer to amoeba, it capture it by finger-like extensions from the surface that are called as pseudopodia. The food particle then enters and get digested in the food vacuole with the help of lysosomes and digestive enzymes. This food particle enters in the food vacuole and there occurs digestion with the help of lysosomes and digestive enzymes. After the digestion, another step occurs that is called as absorption. The food gets absorbed, and after absorption, the food is utilized for growth, for development, for reproduction, for so many processes, and the undigested residues get expelled out by excretory accessory tubes. These undigested wastes gets expelled. We call these wastes digested wastes. Nutrition in amoeba is a heterotrophic nutrition. It involves following steps. Number first step, ingestion. Food is captured by this pseudopodia. When solid food particle, yani process of ingestion of solid food particle in amoeba in unicellular organism is called as phagocytosis. Process of ingestion of solid food particle through pseudopodia, you see here, that is called as phagocytosis. First step, ingestion, intake of food by these pseudopodias, by these outgrowth, that is called as phagocytosis. And the first step is ingestion, these by pseudopodia. After this, the food goes into the vacuole, and there occurs digestion by digestive enzymes and with the help of lysosomes. And then another step occurs. This digested food diffuse into the cell cytoplasm, and the another step occurs. The absorbed food are used for growth, reproduction, energy, and so many processes. And the digested wastes get digested at any point on the surface, that is called as exocytosis. That is called as exocytosis. Beep when I appear to have asal poet, question poet. Digestion in amoeba is a unicellular organism. Amoebas mostly which are outgrowth from the cell surface. These are called as pseudopodia. Yes, per food particle at nazdik wata, these pseudopodia get extended and the food particle get into the pseudopodia, get into the amoeba. This food then goes into the cytoplasm where by digestive enzymes and by lysosomes it digests the food particle. After this, the food gets absorbed. After the absorption, the food is utilized for growth, for so many processes, for reproduction, for energy. After this, there occurs another step that is called egestion. Egestion, these digested wastes, these residues get digested out at any point on the surface. That is called as egestion. This process is called as exocytosis. When food particle captured by these pseudopodia, these outgrowths, captured by outgrowth, yani ingestion occurs by these pseudopodias. This is called as phagocytosis. When solid food particle when solid food particle is ingested, these pseudopodias, this process is called as phagocytosis. And when these wastes get when these residues get expelled out, this process is called as exocytosis. This process is called as exocytose. Okay, students.